Alright, welcome back. So today I'll be ranting about the colorism issue in the black community. Now a lot of times we have this issue where black men, successful black men, especially in like sports and famous black men, they tend to, a lot of them, not all, tend to intermarry with non-black women. And I try to stay away from this discussion because I don't want to make wrong judgments on people's choices of who they are with, because of course a lot of times it's going to be genuine love between these people, and I don't want to be the one to assume that it is not genuine. However, a lot of these relationships are not genuine relationships. They are formed on a basis of self-hatred, where black men are trying to step up the social ladder by lightening their offspring. And we've seen this as it has been a rule throughout the Americas, in fact throughout the world. As colonization took place, people try to lighten offspring because there's monetary value in whiteness, right? So here we have a perfect example of this intermingling not being genuine and coming from a place of self-hatred. Now we have this brother. He is I think a basketball player, Gilbert Arenas. And this article is from Oxygen. So Gilbert Arenas slams Lupita Nyong'o in rant about dark-skinned women. Colorism is alive and well, and if you need proof, then look no further than Gilbert Arenas' recent Instagram comment. Here's what went down. Arenas came across an Instagram post uplifting black girls, and in true self-hating fashion had to poke his head in and spread some vile negativity around. So this is the post now. Dear black girl, you don't have to be mixed to be beautiful. Reads the original post. Arenas inserted himself into the conversation, writing, "How black are we talking? Not to be funny, can you name a beautiful black woman on the outside?" No. I have true hatred for people who do this. No, I am not the one to worship the English language, right? Because I have issues with the English language, and I generally am not a grammar police. But you see, when somebody is spreading negativity like this and pushing themselves in conversations and being arrogant and disrespectful and berating other people without reason, I have to point this out. Now this dunce bot I go right. Can you name a beautiful black woman? You dunce, singular. You cannot have a woman. You dunce bot, you cannot have a woman. Next time you are going to be disrespecting black women, at least figure out how to write a damn sentence. And how to use the words correctly. It will be a black woman, you don't spot Gilbert Arenas. Anyway, that is not the point of the discussion. He then proceeded to claim that beautiful black women don't exist. In his view, Lupita Nyong'o is cute when lights are off. You disrespectful, disgusting piece of shit. Oh my goodness. People, I apologize for this. Now, I find beauty everywhere. But when people start injecting things into their lips and into their breasts and into their bottoms and hips and being plastic, black women get a lot of flack. African women get a lot of flack for having these features that we see typical of black women, and those are thick lips. Now this man's ex-wife, baby mother, clearly has fake lips trying to mimic the lips of black women. And this Jankro has the nerve to be disrespecting black women, saying this woman who is so friggin' beautiful all the way around from her head to her toe. She's just, there's no way, something wrong with you if you think she's not beautiful. He's going to be my apologies, right? To be comparing these women, because I'm not saying anyone is ugly. I'm just saying before you disrespect a nice chocolate woman like this, make sure that your rap sheet is filled with naturally beautiful women. Not silicone up, not plastic women, nothing that was made in a lab. You understand me? Especially not when you have someone going into surgery to get a body part that mimics that of a black woman, while you're disrespecting black women. Come on, brother. Come on, man. Do better than that, man. You see, a lot of times we criticize black women who are getting hair and nose jobs and things to mimic non-black women, to mimic white women and this and that, and we remove black men from the conversation, when in fact it is they bear a lot of the responsibility, because it is this type of vitriol, this type of hatred, self-hatred that encourages black women to try to be other things than themselves. The original post, it is black men like this that cause that original post to have to be made. For people have to be reminded black women that they are beautiful, because the society and the black men are responsible for black women not feeling good about themselves. Man, if you don't have nothing, if you didn't have something good to say, just shut the fuck up and find a different conversation to bring your ignorance, bring your stupidity, bring your dunceness, bring your idiocy to somewhere else. Just stay out of the fucking conversation, especially if you aren't going to have anything constructive to say. Gosh. Black men are a big part of the reason that black women have self-esteem issues. Now, so this brother is going to be raising his children who are mixed to feel like they are beautiful because they are mixed. So when your daughter becomes of age now and is seeking a partner, she should seek a partner that is white or non-black or light-skinned, because her father, somewhere in there, teaches her that dark skin is not beautiful. So she's going to find someone light to mate with, so she can please her father in having lighter skin offspring. You don't self-hating little wretch. I can't stand people like this. Anyway, he then proceeded to claim that beautiful black women don't exist. Alright. Google search. Just type black women, dark skinned women. And I am seeing some of the most beautiful women I have seen in my life. Oh my goodness. This brother blind, and him not blinded visually, him blinded mentally. His mind just corrupt. That is what you call an enslaved person. Enslaved person. What are you telling me? I'm talking chocolate skin, dark skin woman. You understand me? Sun kiss. You fucking idiot. Idiots like you deserve to stay upon a plantation, because that is where your mind is. Sorry. Not talk about. Something wrong with this brother, yeah, man. I don't know what the fuck you gotta tell me, sir. In his view, Lupita Nyong'o is cute when the lights are off, and Kenyan model Ajuma not saying sorry about you. Why you're a woman, a black woman? Why does your opinion even matter? You don't even know how to pluralize. Why does your opinion matter? A woman? Fucking idiot. How black are we talking? Not to be funny. Can you name a beautiful black woman? This is the post unedited. A black woman on the outside. Not brown skin like Tyrese. Like Tyrese Black. Top 50 most beautiful women of all time. The darkest woman they have is Keisha Knight Pullum. Rudy. Yeah, Rudy is beautiful and she is dark skinned. Gabrielle Union is beautiful and she is dark skinned. Serena Williams is beautiful and you stupid fuck. You just contradicted your fucking self, you idiot. And he's talking about top 50 most beautiful women of all time. Now, obviously, he's watching the media. And he's just proving to us how black women are berated in society. And now he is watching this and consuming this. And in his mind, these people are correct. He has, because he's a done, so all his knowledge and all his views are created by the general society. You understand? So the mass media in society is determining what this idiot thinks is beautiful. Alright, Arenas later apologized for his comments, writing, I never say sorry for the shit I say, but it's my fault. I read this wrong and got into my feelings. I thought it was saying if you're mixed, you're not considered black and beautiful. And my kids are mixed and dark skinned, so I perceive it how I want it to. No, your apology makes no fucking sense, you idiot. The original post said nothing about mixed black people not being beautiful. It said nothing about that. And that is the problem with you people. You think that in order for black people to be beautiful, they have to be mixed. They have to be mixed. That is why listen, I have a thing, I have a issue with people telling me I have pretty hair. Because I know where the fuck it is coming from. Because you're not saying it to me based on the fact that I am black. You're saying it to me based on the fact that my hair texture reveals that I am not 100% African. That is what. That is the reason why people say things like that. So people, we have this thing in the black community where we see beauty as things from outside the black community coming in and changing our looks, changing our features. So now we are beautiful because of something else. Not because we are black. I fucked up. I fucked this up, so I deserve the hatred. Yes, you deserve all the hatred. You deserve all the friggin' hatred. Friggin' idiot. And it is people like this. It is people like this that make us and make black people and make black women question the merits of these interracial relationships that are so prevalent among black sports figures, black celebrities, black male celebrities. That this person revealing his dislike, his hatred for black, for the aesthetics of black women. It is people like him that make black women react the way they react to interracial relationships, because he is proving the assumption, right, that these men are not in these relationships based on actual love, genuine love and companionship. They are in these relationships based on skin color and the fact that they now get to access whiteness. They get to access their offspring being better than themselves because they get to be lighter skin. That is what this person just proved. That is what this person just proved. And it is a disgusting behavior in the black community. So when you see people reacting to interracial relationships in a negative way, know that it is coming from people like this. It is coming from people like this. Now, am I going to change my position and just staying out of these the criticizing interracial relationships? I'm not going to change because I really can't waste my time trying to figure out why somebody is with somebody else. Right? That is not my place. But you see, when people slip up and reveal their true intentions and reveal how their true thoughts and feelings, then I'm going to comment. But until then, I'm giving these people the benefit of the doubt until they reveal what they truly believe. But these men, these type of black men, and trust me, they are not in the minority. These men are in the majority. These men are in the majority. Self-hatred. Self-hatred. Now, this brother is not the lightest of black men. So I can assume with confidence that his mother, his parents are not light-skinned. And listen to the disrespect, the hatred he has for dark skin, for black women. Oh my goodness, boy. I don't know how somebody can have access to the internet and still be this dunce and reckless. But I much rather people like this though. People who express their views. Right? But just expect that people are going to respond to your stupidity and your racism and your self-hatred. You need to wise up. There's no excuse for this type of mentality in 2017. There's no excuse for this type of mentality to be persistent in our community in 2017. Why don't you just be in your relationships, be with if it's white you like, if it's non-black you like, if it's light skin you like, just be in your relationship and just leave dark skinned women alone. Okay, you have nothing good to say about them, fine. Just leave the conversation be. Don't add to the already negative environment that they are experiencing. And as a black man, you are going to attack the aesthetics of black women. So you see them as ugly, so automatically you see them as invaluable. So when society is attacking them constantly and putting them down constantly, they do not feel like their natural partners have their back. That is the message you're sending to black women, to black girls. So it doesn't matter if you're saying separating brown skin, saying, oh, I'm not talking all black women, I'm talking the darkest of dark. It is on some level it will apply to all black women from the lightest, because we have a scale from white to dark. And all black women are affected by colorism in society. So when black men are jumping up and propagating the propaganda, right, of racist rhetoric, it is sad. It is sad and it is sick. And the arrogance in which this junker, this dunce a woman junker was coming at black women for saying something simple as you are beautiful and you don't have to be mixed to be beautiful. Like what is wrong with that? This brother acting stupid like he doesn't know. He doesn't know the colorism that happens in the black community.
This 10-year-old has plenty of confidence today.
I know I'm pretty. I'm not going to let anyone tell me different.
But that wasn't the case a few months ago.
I just didn't feel like I was that pretty. And I thought it was really ugly after people were telling me that I was ugly.
Karis Rogers is talking about her skin tone.
I feel like they were bullying me because of my skin color, because I was darker.
She remembers a moment in first grade that still hurts.
My teacher, we were supposed to draw ourselves, and she gave me a black crayon instead of a brown crayon. And I came home crying. I didn't know what to do.
Her mom did, and switched her to a more diverse school, but still the comments continued.
A couple girls that were bullying me because I was too dark, but they were coming from black girls too. So I was really confused.
Her big sister was not.
There is an issue of colorism, I think, in every race.
So their mom enrolled Karis in a Saturday program at Amazing Grace Conservatory, where they held this fashion show a few weeks ago. Big sis, Taylor Pollard, couldn't help but post a couple photos on Twitter, writing, "My sister is only 10, but already royalty," adding the hashtag flexin' in her complexion.
She's a chocolate girl, and she was dressed nice and cute, had her hair, her natural hair showing, and you know, I just want to put out there that she's flexing in her complexion.
It resonated with thousands of people on social media, liked 80,000 times. The compliments poured in.
In social media, it seems like people are more willing to give her compliments.
Reaching an audience she wouldn't ordinarily meet.
And like after I read all those comments, I was like, wow, am I really that pretty?
Yes, Karis, you are. On the outside and in. And as for those bullies, she now knows what to say.
Everybody is pretty in their own way.
A lesson for other girls, young and old, regardless of their complexion.
Always believe in yourself. Don't let nobody tell you different.
Joy Benedict, CBS 2 News.
Please leave your comment below. Please leave your comment below. Black women are beautiful in all the shades that they come in, right? If you have nothing good to say about them, just stay the fuck away from their conversations. Simple as that. Mr. Gilbert Arenas, learn to write a fucking sentence before you have these big fucking opinions about people. Before you come with these old racist rhetoric. Learn to write a fucking sentence. Learn to pluralize a woman. It's a woman. A woman, not a woman. You understand? Anyway, blessings to everybody. And hope you find something interesting in this discussion. Please leave a comment below, like, and subscribe.